you started a series on the species on our money, no? Ang tawag mo doon ay sari-buhay sa salapi, no? Hindi alam ng marami siguro na may mga native species tayo ng mga halaman at hayop, no? Sa pera natin, no? O nakikita lang natin doon pero hindi natin masyado napapag-isipan, no? Una yung salitang sari-buhay. This is a translation of biodiversity, no? Pero ang narinig ko madalas yung samut-saring buhay, no? Yung sari-buhay ba, did you coin this or where did this word come from?
Hindi ko siya kinain. Nung sa ASEAN Center for Biodiversity, naririnig ko silang ginagamit yung sari-buhay as Tagalog translation of biodiversity. So, yun. From there, inadapt ko na rin siya as sari-buhay.
Yeah. That's good. I mean, it's shorter, it's catchier than samut-saring buhay na medyo mahaba, no? So it's I guess it's like calling biodiversity biodive, no? Medyo mahaba kasi yung biodiversity. So anyway, bakit tinalakay mo tong mga species na nasa pera natin?
Lahat kasi tayo may barya. Diba? So, lahat ng barya na nahahawakan ng Pilipino. So I feel like it's a good entry point to introduce our native species. Kasi pag pinag-usapan natin siya, yung mga tao would be like, uy, nga, meron palang halaman sa likod ng 5 piso or may halaman pala sa likod ng piso. Accessible, it makes the concept of biodiversity accessible to the general public kasi money is everyone's concern. So yun, I thought about doing yung sari-buhay sa salapi to get the interest of the general public.
At yung isang feature mo ay yung Medinilla magnifica, no? Ano yung common name nito?
Kapa-kapa.
Kapa-kapa kasi parang may kapa siya, no?
Yes.
I actually have a few of those in my garden, no?
Wow.
Yeah, it's endemic. Sinabi mo nga, it's endemic. Endemic ba o native?
Yes, it is endemic.
Endemic, ibig sabihin only in the Philippines. Kahit sa ibang bansa sa Southeast Asia, wala yan, no? So talagang sa Philippines. Well, I have them in my garden not just because it's endemic but napakagandang halaman, no? Kasi sa pera natin, hindi mo makikita yung kulay, obviously, no? Nasa coin kasi yan, no? Pero nung ipinakita mo yung napaka-brilliant red, or how would you describe the color? Hindi siya red ano ba? Parang pinkish almost, no? Red pink, light red.
Vibrant pink.
Oo, vibrant yon. And then yun nga, yung pinakita mo may kapa. Yung mga halaman ko rito, wala pa sila mga kapa eh. They're fairly young plants, no? Pero yun, I'm sure that was a revelation for a lot of people, no? Ano yung nagiging reaction sa mga ganong klaseng halaman, yung mga fini-feature mo?
Dun sa kapa-kapa particularly, I had comments na sinasabi nila, ay, akala ko grapes. Akala ko baliktad na puso ng saging. Akala ko mais. Ganun yung mga comments. So, parang affirmation for me to continue doing not just the series, but also the other short form content. Kasi minsan naririnig lang natin tapos hindi natin alam yung itsura. Isa pang example, yung jade vine. Kami ni Dennis, akala namin, parang common knowledge siya na maraming Pilipino yung alam kung ano yung jade vine. Tapos when I posted yung sari-buhay sa salapi na 5 piso featuring jade vine, ang daming nagko-comment pa rin na, uy, ngayon lang ako nakakita niyan. May ganyan pala sa Pilipinas. So, yun, the awareness talaga could be improved. And I'm happy that my work is contributing to that.